So guys, right now we're at Choco Bar Cortez. We were supposed to finish our guide 2 weeks ago, but I couldn't finish it, so I just came back here and I just stayed over a night with my girlfriend. So we overnighted. We're right now at Old San Juan. I knew the guide is gonna be Santurce and a little bit outside of Old San Juan, but I had to come here because it's one of the best places ever. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you the food, how it looks. I got grilled cheese with chocolate butter, so I'm really excited to see that one. And here's everything about chocolate. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of how the place looks, and then I'm gonna show you the food, so stay with me.
La tradición acá en Puerto Rico es que servimos el chocolate caliente con un pedazo de queso. ¿Por qué? Porque la tradición acá es poner el queso dentro del chocolate caliente y se derrite y te sigues tomando el chocolate normal. Cuando llegas al final tienes un chocolatito derretido, un queso derretido que no le cambia el sabor al chocolate, es muy bueno.
Perfecto, gracias, gracias. Quesito, échalo. So let's try this hot chocolate. It's so good. It's so good. It's actually like really, it's kind of like thick. It's not like a watery hot chocolate that you just drink it really quickly. It's so like thick. Like I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. It feels like they just melted a chocolate bar. Just a little bit of milk, whipped it, and that's it. It tastes so much like such chocolate that I'm in shock. Wow. So here I just ordered the grilled cheese with chocolate butter, and let me try it out. It's good. As you can see here, you can see like part of the cheese, domino sugar, and this right here is the chocolate butter. So let's try it out. It's cheddar cheese, so it's not that stringy, and that mixture between the chocolate and the butter, it's not overpowering at all. You don't get like this punch of chocolate flavor. It's actually really well balanced. So you take that bite, you have a little bit of that domino sugar, and you get that cheese and that little chocolate taste. But you feel it, like it's really good. I never tried this before, like a grilled cheese, like a sweet grilled cheese. But it's worth it. You gotta try it. And here, what did you order? Mango con chorizo. Damn, she went Dominican on us. You have smashed plantains, you have chorizo, it's basically a sausage, and that onions and peppers and all that stuff. It's good. So part of what the waiter was telling me is that after you get the coffee, you get like the cheese you put in the chocolate, sorry, not coffee, and you eat it and it becomes kind of like a stringy melted cheese. So look at this. Let's try it out. It's cheddar, and once it hits your mouth, it just turns like into a paste. Wow, it's really good. want to thank, first of all, to the people here in Shibo. They take RSVPs for dining, so you gotta make a reservation. But we came by and they actually like just let us eat here. They, thank God, didn't have any reservations right now. So I'm gonna be showing you the different things they have right now. I'm gonna show you the menu since it's all digital. Look at everything they have here. Look at, oh my, just keep scrolling down. So they have here appetizers, they have dumplings, takoyakis, kimchis, they have raw ceviches and salads, ramen, specialty of the house, and the main dishes they have curry, they have noodles, they have chaufa, they have fondant, they have chop suey, they have even mofongo here. Like, you can never escape mofongo here in Puerto Rico, so you're gonna get it even in Asian places. We have sushi, like more than 15 rolls, cocktails, desserts, creme brulee, everything they have here. Wow. Even some house cocktails. So, and we ordered some dumplings that have a little bit of a Puerto Rican flavor to it. They're made with sweet plantains and the normal traditional dumpling meat. So I'm really eager to see that combination of the two of them, because sweet plantains is one of my favorite things here in Puerto Rico. And to mix it with a little bit of that Asian cuisine, it's gonna be great. So right now we just got the dumplings with sweet plantains. Can you look at that? Oh my God. That looks so good. So, I'm gonna try the dumpling.
Es bueno, bueno. Está en caliente, cuidado.
The sweetness of the sweet plantain, it doesn't overshadow the other contents of it. It's just like that little sweet taste that you can taste it through everything, and it just combines all of those flavors in your mouth. And once you take that bite and break it up, amazing. I'm going to show you a little bit of how it looks in the middle. This looks amazing right there. Qué rico se ve ese ramen, hermano. Gracias. So now it's my time to try this Thai curry. Surprisingly sweet. Wow. You feel that punch of heat coming through. As you can see there, it's actually of chicken and noodles. I think this is this ginger? I think that's ginger. Wow. It has like a mixture of flavors between sweet, spicy, savory. Me quedé bobo porque probé primero como que el caldo, después probé como que un poquito del caldo con los fideos y después probé el caldo y el pollo. Yo probé como que las tres cosas y cada vez era como que
cada una
sabe, exacto, si esto es que cuando te lo comes completo es como que boom, mezclas todos esos sabores en una y dead because I really didn't know. Like, I knew Puerto Ricans cook good, but you may come to Puerto Rico and think, oh, I'm gonna get like the normal Puerto Rican stuff, I'm gonna get mofongo, I'm gonna get rice, beans, fish, but you don't think about getting ramen or Asian cuisine in Puerto Rico, but you should do it because, wow, I've been to New York and the quality is like top tier restaurants right here, and just to think that we have this in Puerto Rico and some people don't even know it. So here Carla just gave us some sake. They basically mix it and make it their own here. And wow, it smells really good. This is actually my first time trying sake. Let's try it. Wow guys, that food was amazing. Carlos and everybody there, I want to thank you a lot because the service you guys were bringing was amazing. Food, I would recommend it completely, 10 out of 10. The flavors, everything was amazing.
Esto es un shop que se especializa en hacer donas artesanales y café artesanal. Hacemos también brunch. El brunch, el menú está aquí. Servimos el brunch de 10 a 3 de la tarde. Sí, les voy a decir los sabores que tengo. Aquí tengo Nutella. Aquí tengo de peanuts y coco. Estas que están aquí son de cookies and cream. Esta que está aquí en el medio es de s'mores. Y estas que están aquí son de guayaba y queso. Aquí también tengo alfajores veganos que son gluten free. Tengo también estas galletitas de aquí que son de chocolate, con nueces y con bourbon. Acá abajo tengo también alfajores de Nutella y de leche. Y aquí tengo brownies de relleno, Bobartol, Oreo, peanuts y cookies.
No sobrecalentó la leche, súper bueno.
So right here we at Kudo's Donuts right now. This is a local donut shop. They try to do the best vegan and normal donuts available. I'm gonna try the Nutella one. Look at this. So good. I thought it was gonna be filled, but it's actually the middle hole that has a Nutella. I like that because sometimes when it's completely filled plus more Nutella on top, a little bit too much. So with this great brownie and that great donut and great coffee, I'm gonna end it right there. So if you're searching for a place that you wanna go eat and you wanna go out and outside of that little touristy area, follow this great guide. You're gonna have a lot of fun, you're gonna eat great food. Comment down below what would you like to see next. Basically that's it.
enjoy Puerto Rico. If you need anything, my links and all my socials are gonna be below. And all the links for all the places I just went, you're gonna see all the Instagrams and everything is gonna be in the description below. So comment, like, subscribe, follow, whatever you wanna do. But hit me up, come here, get great food. Tongo PR, I'm out.